What if you could step inside a home that heals its own scars, generates limitless energy, and even controls the climate within its walls? This isn't a fantasy. It's the next chapter of human living, and it's waiting for you to turn the page. Our planet is running out of answers. Seas keep rising, storms grow stronger, and every year our homes look weaker. I still remember when a single flood swept away half our street, walls collapsed, memories drowned, and yet, we rebuilt. But how long can we keep fighting nature with fragile shells? The truth is, our homes today are not guardians, they are victims. But the mansion you're about to witness? It's different. It doesn't just stand, it adapts, it resists, it evolves. A fortress designed not only to survive tomorrow's chaos, but to thrive in it. This isn't just a home, it's humanity's blueprint for survival in a changing world. Step inside. The gates don't just open, they transform before your eyes. Forged from self-healing nanomaterials, they repair scratches, dents, even storm damage in seconds, as if nothing ever touched them. Fire, wind, rain, erased in an instant. And as you cross the threshold, something remarkable happens. The mansion doesn't just recognize you, it syncs with you. Your heartbeat, your breathing, your energy, it aligns to match. Light shifts softly, the air adjusts to your comfort, even the fragrance changes to calm your mood. From the very first step, the house whispers, "You are safe, you are home." This isn't an entrance, it's a living promise that your sanctuary will never fail you. From above, this mansion doesn't even look man-made, it looks alive, like a breathing organism resting on the earth. Its solar skin glistens like the scales of a dragon, each panel shifting and angling to chase the sun with precision, feeding the house with endless energy. And then, the rooftop reveals its secret. It's not just a roof, it's an AI-powered weather dome. Imagine calling rain on a hot afternoon, or clearing clouds so you can dine beneath the stars. Even starlight bends to your command. Step inside, and you feel the truth. Climate is no longer something nature controls, it's something you choose, every moment, with a home that bends the forces of the world to serve you. Step into the living room, and you'll find it's made of memory walls. Just touch them, and watch as they come alive, projecting your happiest moments in vivid, floating holograms. Remember that birthday surprise, that sunset on a distant beach, the laughter of loved ones, all glowing gently around you. But it doesn't stop there. The AI-powered furniture doesn't just mold to your body, it syncs with your emotions. Feeling stressed? It pulses a soft, calming light to slow your heartbeat. Need energy? It glows brighter, lifting your mood. This is more than a room. It's a living scrapbook, an emotional sanctuary, a space that doesn't just hold your life, it celebrates it, comforts it, and walks with you through every feeling. In the bedroom, dreams are no longer random, they're a choice. The bed's neural sync AI connects softly to your mind as you sleep, letting you curate your own dreamscape. Tonight, you soar across glittering galaxies, feeling the stardust on your skin. Tomorrow, you walk through ancient cities, hearing echoes of history in every step. Every night becomes a conscious adventure, crafted by you. And when you wake, it's not with confusion, but with clarity. Your brain feels deeply rested, as if you truly lived every moment of that dream. This isn't just sleep, it's soul-deep renewal. The line between dreaming and living blurs, and every morning, you rise not just rested, but reborn. The bathroom is no longer just water and tiles, it's an aqua-healing chamber. Imagine stepping into a space where zero-gravity tubs gently lift you, suspending you in a cloud of warm, mineral-rich mist. Around you, AI-guided nanodroplets work invisibly, penetrating skin at a cellular level to repair, hydrate, and rejuvenate. This isn't a shower, it's regeneration. You're not just washing the day away, you're reversing its effects. With every session, fine lines soften, skin glows, and fatigue dissolves. This is where science meets serenity. You don't just get clean, you turn back time. In the kitchen, food isn't just cooked, it's printed. Molecular printers quietly reassemble pure nutrients into any dish you can imagine. A perfect steak, an artful sushi platter, even historical meals from centuries ago, recreated with stunning accuracy. But the true magic? Waste doesn't exist here. Leftovers aren't thrown away, they're gently absorbed by silent bioreactors in the countertops, converted instantly into clean energy that powers the home. Your kitchen doesn't just feed you, it fuels your future. Every meal is personal, sustainable, and alive with possibility. In the entertainment dome, reality is entirely optional. This isn't just VR, it's full sensory simulation. The walls dissolve into infinite horizons, the air thickens with the scent of alien rain or ancient forests, and even gravity bends to your imagination. Want to play a basketball game in Mars low gravity? The floor tilts, your body lightens, and red dust swirls at your feet. Or host a concert where sound doesn't just hit your ears, it ripples through your skin, pulses as light, and breathes as wind. This isn't watching a screen, it's stepping into a new dimension of play, presence, and pure wonder. And at the heart of it all lies the quantum energy core, a breakthrough that moves beyond solar, beyond wind, beyond anything we've known. This isn't just energy generation, it's energy alchemy. By tapping into the subtle, constant fluctuations of the quantum realm, it harvests power from the fabric of space itself. It generates limitless, clean electricity, silent, invisible, and endlessly renewable. But its impact stretches far beyond your home. It stabilizes entire local grids, prevents blackouts across cities, and shares surplus power seamlessly with the community. Your home doesn't just run sustainably, it becomes a pillar of resilience, a quiet guardian for the neighborhood, and a glimpse into a future where energy is no longer a constraint, but a certainty. And here's the future no one expected. This mansion doesn't just create energy for itself, it generates so much quantum power, it fuels the neighborhood, the city, maybe even the nation. Every sunrise isn't just light, it's limitless electricity. Price tag? $15 million. But in return, you don't just buy a home. You buy a living being, a sanctuary that heals, adapts, and writes the future with you. What if your walls weren't static, but alive? What if your home could grow new rooms like branches of a tree? What if your house never aged? This isn't just a home, it's a partner. It senses your mood and shifts light, sound, and space to match. It strengthens itself against storms, purifies the air you breathe, and even helps heal your body with embedded wellness tech. And through its quantum energy core, it powers not only itself but contributes clean energy back to the world. For the first time in history, your home gives back more than it takes, to you, and to the planet. This was more than a tour, it was a glimpse of 2050 and beyond. If you believe homes can be alive, powered by AI, and filled with wonder, join me again. Like, share, and subscribe, because the next home might just float above the clouds.